Hello, everybody. We are from Group I, and today we're going to present the benefits of nori and its potential in Indonesia. All right. Yep. Uh, as you can see in the screen here, we're going to talk about what nori is, as well as its production process and its health benefits, as well, and finally its economic potentials in Indonesia. Um, yeah. Let's get started.
So, what is nori? Nori is a seaweed that dried and pressed into black sheet, and it's very significant globally because it has a lot of nutrition value. It contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And it is also commonly used in many international foods like sushi, kimbap, and seaweed snack. And Indonesia has a strong potential to be the biggest harvest due to its favorable marine.
There are four steps in the production process of nori. The first step is cultivation. Algae seedlings are placed in photobioreactors, and then they're grown under controlled temperatures for germination. And then once they're big enough, they will be attached to nets and then refrigerated, and they will be placed on the seabeds to grow for about a month. After a month, they will be harvested and then removed from the nets using suction hoses, which will be collected onto small harvest boats. And this usually occurs during the full seasons. The next step would be processing. The harvested nori is washed and then pressed to remove water, and it will be chopped and blended into a slurry, which is then shaped into sheets, and it will be dehydrated in ovens. And the last step is roasting. The dried sheets are quality checked and then roasted at controlled temperatures, and then they're this is a short, quick flow chart of how nori can be produced. Even in the lab, it's weighed and then it's chopped into smaller pieces, and it's boiled, and then it's pressed and flattened into sheets like these, and then it's
All right. So now we're going to talk about what nutrients are contained inside nori. Well, it contains many beneficial nutrients like protein, fiber, iodine, iron, and various important vitamins like vitamin A, C, and K, and B12. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc, which makes nori a highly nutrient-dense food in comparison to a lot of common snacks. And now we're going to talk about the health benefits of nori. So nori offers a number of health benefits. For example, nori's iodine content contributes to thyroid health, which is essential for maintaining a proper metabolic rate and energy levels. It also contains fiber, which helps aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. And also has antioxidant and omega-3 fatty acids, which can promote cardiovascular health. So, how does nori compare to other snacks? Well, nori has some advantages and disadvantages when compared to another healthier snack options. Like for instance, nori is typically much healthier than regular potato chips because it contains fewer calories, less fat, and more vitamins and minerals. Furthermore, nori is generally higher in iodine and minerals and may sometimes have more fat than fatty chips. Nori is also lower in calories than protein chips, but protein chips are typically higher in protein, which makes them a more filling snack. So yeah, overall, nori is one of the healthier options for snack chips as it is crunchy, tasty, and rich in nutrients. But it's important to note that it should be consumed within moderate amounts, or else it will result in excess iodine intake, which is something that we do not want to happen.
Yeah. How can Indonesia compete to become one of the strongest nori producers? It should invest in selective breeding and biotechnology to cultivate warm water purify varnish, establish advanced local processing factories occupied with automated washing, chopping, sheet farming, and roasting technology. capitalize on its position as a major Muslim majority nation to secure dominate certification and the rapidly growing global halal snack sector. What are the risks that Indonesia must take should it choose to compete? The risks are repeat expansion into shallow coastal waters can lead to overcrowing, which damages vital seagrass meadows, alters local marine and intelligence majority marine life. Then intensive monbo, what is it?
Monoculture.
Monoculture farming leaves crops highly capital to environment stress such as cathosphere, ice disease, which causes seaweed to within and break. Then transition from simple low teach line farming to industrialized nuri processing lines requires heavy initial capital investment. What should Indonesia to do mitigate the risks? Establish clear zoning laws for agriculture using the ecosystem approach to agriculture, mobilize local universities and the research institutes to establish specialized nursery networks, create dedicated government backed financial packets or cooperative credit system, especially tailored for coastal smallholders, standardize strict post harvest protectors, clean water washing and solar drying dummies, cross farming cooperatives.